It'll show you how to overcome all those terrors you experience when you lie awake at night wondering if anybody will ever really care about you. Let's talk about male insecurity, because it's a big topic on this channel, and I talk to all kinds of men at every walk of life who are insecure, who are struggling, who are unhappy, and don't believe that they deserve to be loved, or they don't believe that they ever will be loved. Male insecurity is a huge problem, and almost all of it stems from attachment issues, which come from environmental factors. Yes, society complements this and makes it worse. It's awful, but so much of it comes down to attachment. How do you give and receive love with other people? How do you do that? Do you know? I do. It's my job. I'm an attachment specialist. I am here to show you how to crush male insecurity, blast through especially anxious attachment style, which is the belief that you cannot be loved, so you have to earn love and approval from other people, and that you have to reach out and give that to other people endlessly like a doormat. That's not what you want. That's not what people want from you, but that's all you think that you can give. I can show you how to fix that. And I've got a book called Slaying Your Fear. Slaying Your Fear by Adam Lane Smith shows you how to overcome those obstacles of insecurity, of fear, of unhappiness. The belief that you cannot be loved. The belief that no one wants to hear about you and your garbage and all your problems. The belief that your needs will never be met. The belief that you're not a person who's worthwhile. I show you that in that book by showing you how to pick the principles that matter to you that would make you respect yourself, so that you respect yourself. Really. And so that you carry that forward in your relationships. You build boundaries with people, healthy ones. You connect to healthy people that you respect. Because when you respect yourself, you can take a seat at the table with people that are worthy of respect. That is a big piece of the answer that most people miss. You think you just have to creep up to the table and hide under it to be around people you respect. Learn to respect yourself and you can solve it. That's just one of the things that my book, Slaying Your Fear, will show you how to fix. It will show you how to fix your bonds with other people. It will show you how to find real people that actually care about you and build that relationship. It'll show you how to overcome all those terrors you experience when you lie awake at night wondering if anybody will ever really care about you. When you read that book and you finish it, you have a full roadmap to build a life of productive work with good professional relationships, to boost your income because you're not spending all of it being miserable and coping, to boost the income you keep, to improve your job, to improve your work relationships, probably boost your income by getting a promotion, to find somebody who loves you, and to communicate to them how much you actually love them, and to build a lasting relationship that can last for a lifetime, that can be with you forever. That's the power of good attachment. My book, Slaying Your Fear, teaches you that good attachment. It shows you how to build real love for yourself and for other people for a whole lifetime. If that's what you want, in a clear, easy to read format that is 100 pages, meant to be read fast and applied faster, pick up Slaying Your Fear. There's a link down in the description. It's available on Amazon. Buy your copy. Start reading it. It's going to change your life forever. And come back and leave me a comment on this video, because I want to see all the comments when people cry, when people go through it, when they learn. Let me know what the biggest piece of that book was for you. I want to hear it.